Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make popsicles easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need about 2 cups of your chosen liquid, like fruit juice or a yogurt blend, and a few pieces of fresh fruit if you like. Grab your popsicle molds or even small paper cups and wooden sticks. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and fun, setting us up for a delightful frozen treat in just a few steps. Now let's get creative with our flavors. If you're using fruit, blend it with a little juice or water until it's smooth. For a layered effect, you can pour different colors in stages. Carefully fill each mold, leaving a small gap of about 1/4 inch from the top. This prevents overflow as the liquid expands when it freezes, ensuring perfect popsicles every time. With your molds filled, it's time to add the sticks. If your mold has a lid with stick slots, use that. Otherwise, once the mixture has frozen for about 30 minutes and is slightly firm, you can insert the sticks upright. This helps them stay centered. Now, carefully transfer your molds to the freezer. They'll need at least 4 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight, to become perfectly solid and ready to enjoy. The best part is here enjoying your delicious homemade popsicles. To easily remove them from the mold, run the outside of the mold under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This slight warmth helps loosen the popsicle without melting it. Then, gently pull the stick, and your perfect frozen treat will slide right out. Enjoy your refreshing, custom-made snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.